Привіт-привіт! My dear Ukrainian language lovers! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the prefix BEZ in the Ukrainian language. But before we start, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave comments about it. Ну що, почнімо? Let's get started. So the prefix BEZ is simple, but it is very important because it usually means without. So bez also can be a preposition in the Ukrainian language with the same meaning, without, and we can use it in front of the nouns or pronouns. For example, я не люблю пити чаю без цукру. I don't like drinking tea without sugar. Так? So, also I would like to remind you that after this preposition, bez, we use the genitive case. Okay. But today we're going to focus on the prefix bez that we use in front of the nouns or adjectives to show the absence or lack of something. So I prepared for you some examples with this prefix. So you know a noun son, that means like sleep or dream. When we add the prefix bez in front of it, we have a noun безсоння. Son became безсоння, that means insomnia or without sleep. For example, вона страждає від безсоння. Вона страждає від безсоння. She suffers from insomnia. So we can't just add this prefix to the word as we do with the verbs, when you just add it and that's it. We have also to change, when you add it to the nouns or adjectives, we also have to change the endings of these words. Так? So сон, безсоння. We have here double consonant and the ending я. Добре. The next example, робота. As a noun, it means work or job. When we added the prefix bez, and then we also added the ending, and we have the word безробітний. So безробітний is an adjective that means unemployed or without a job. For example, він безробітний. He is unemployed. Another example, the word межа, that means like limit. Межа, a noun, and then we added the prefix bez and added the ending, and here we have an adjective, безмежний. Безмежний means endless or without limits. Так, українська гостинність безмежна. Ukrainian hospitality is endless. Так, and also another very interesting example, the word гроші means money. And then we added this prefix bez, and here we have безгрошів'я. Безгрошів'я means lack of money, being without money. Так, вони жили в бідності. Безгрошів'я. They lived in poverty, without money. Так, добре. But also I have an exception for you. Be careful. For example, we have an adjective like безпечний, так? At first sight, you may think it means without danger, так? Like unsafe. But actually, in the Ukrainian language, it means the opposite. It means safe, так? Because we have the word небезпечний. It means unsafe. But безпечний means safe, так? For example, це безпечне місце. This is a safe place. So always check the meaning of words with prefix bez, because sometimes they don't follow the usual logic. Yeah, unfortunately. Okay, so let's sum up. In most cases, bez plus word means without something. Like без молока, without milk, без проблем, no problem. But remember exceptions like безпечний, that means safe. Okay. So now it's your turn. Please write in the comments below your sentences using the words with BEZ. Так? I'm very curious to read your homework here in the comments below. Так, добре, дорогі друзі. Of course, at the end of this video, I would like to advertise my amazing school Speak Ukrainian that I'm very proud of. At our website, speaky.com, you can find the opportunity to take one-on-one lessons with the professional teachers from Ukraine. We have online courses for starters, beginners, and intermediate Ukrainian language learners. We have mini speaking lessons. We have also lessons for kids and teens. We have textbooks, flashcards. We have everything that you need to learn Ukrainian language and become fluent in it. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, my patrons. Thank you for your subscription, likes, and comments. I appreciate it so much. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Ваша вчителька Інна, your teacher Інна, і па-па, bye-bye.